Studies show that 62% of millennials are living paycheck to paycheck because of their lack of knowledge in personal finance. Millennials really struggle to build various income streams, which will really hold them back when it comes to building wealth. To solve this, I created Finwealth, an app where millennials can learn all about building income streams on the go. This app focuses on various investing methods and personal finance knowledge. The app also has a section where younger high school students, like myself, can see the most demanding industries going into 2022. This would give them a good idea of the highest paying careers going into the near future. By far the best aspect of this app is that all the investing topics that millennials need to learn are all in one compact app, and as the world progresses digitally, this is going to be the primary source for millennials to consume knowledge. Looking at the app when it is first open, it gives sort of an explanation as to what the app is really about. Then, moving on to the home screen, here you can see the demanding industries on the top and the learning topics on the bottom. I only have a few learning topics here, but more learning topics can obviously be added, such as cryptocurrency, banking, credit card churning, and more. So, for example, now if an industry is clicked, it gives the user an overview as to what the career is about, what skills are needed on the job, and how much you can earn. Now, if a learning topic is clicked, it gives them a list of subtopics that the user can go through and read all about. Now, the content itself is very compact and simple to make it very easy to understand and remember. So here are just a few examples under the real estate investing section. And here are even some more examples under the stock market investing section. Now, there's also an interactive part to this app where users can test their spendings. So the calculator asks for the user's monthly income after taxes, their mandatory costs, their miscellaneous costs, and their savings and investments. Depending on these values, it decides whether the user's spendings are good or not. So as you can see for this first example, I'm going to be inputting values that represent a good spending. And now in the second example, I'll be putting in some values that represent bad spendings. With Finwealth, I hope that millennials will be more conscious about their personal finances, as everyone in today's generation can acquire wealth by obtaining the knowledge of various investment methods.